This is Raider, 11 years old, and though she still acts like she's still a puppy, her joints, well, they've begun to slow down in some areas. Enter Zesty Paws Hip and Joint Bites, bacon-flavoured for her food obsession, packed with glucosamine HCl to keep her cartilage in check, chondroitin sulfate to give every leap a soft landing, and OptiMSM because every living room Zoomy is an Olympic sport. Now she's back to her usual crazy and terrorising her owner like it's 2014. Try Zesty Paws today because every dog deserves to feel as young as they think they are.